Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact video file you want to zoom and making a copy so your original stays safe. Once opened in your chosen app, VLC, QuickTime, or a simple editor, locate the timeline and playback controls. Make sure your laptop is plugged in and performance mode is enabled if available, because smoothing frame drops matters. Now set a restore point or save as so you can revert. Then pause where you want the zoom to begin and prepare to set markers. You will now apply the zoom by using the crop or transform tool and adding start and end keyframes on the timeline. Once done, increase scale to the desired percentage and reposition the frame so the subject stays centered. Make sure to use easing or smooth interpolation to avoid jarring motion. Preview short segments repeatedly and adjust keyframe spacing for speed. If your app supports motion blur, enable it lightly to make the zoom feel natural while watching at full resolution. You finish by exporting with settings that match your delivery. Set resolution, bitrate, and pick a compatible codec like H.264. Use a good preset for balance. Once exported, play the rendered file to confirm framing, smoothness, and image quality. If you see stutter or artifacts, make sure hardware acceleration is on and try rendering shorter segments. And if framing shifted, revert to your copied master, reduce the zoom scale slightly, or render with a higher bitrate to resolve the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.